Have you thought about my proposal to you?
Yes, sir.
And what is your final decision?
Sir, my answer still remains no. I'm sorry, sir. I can't marry you.
Why? What have I done for you to hate me like this?
No, sir. I don't hate you. I can never hate you, sir.
Then why do you reject me? Do you think I will not be able to take care of you if I marry you? Rita, please marry me. You will not regret it.
Hey, Dad. What's going on? Hi. What's going on here? So, looks like I'm official.
Son, Rita here turned down my proposal. She is the woman I told you I want to marry.
I don't understand. Are you pulling my legs, Daddy?
I am not pulling your legs, son. She refused to marry me.
Stop. What kind of joke is this? You got me, didn't you? She's the one I told you about. I proposed to her. You didn't even take the note. You didn't take note of the ring she's wearing.
You did what?
I proposed to her. Did I not propose to you? Did you not accept? Hey, Dad, come on, wait. How come I'm able to guys over now some? Huh? I'm like over. No. Dad, please don't. We're in the office, I beg. I don't want to get out of here. Hey, speak another thing.
Baby. Enjoy yourself, okay? Eat whatever you want, huh?
Thank you.
Eat meat, huh? Drink anything you can eat, baby. Enjoy yourself, okay? It'll be nice here for you. You know I love you.
I love you too.
Sure.
But you know, I don't want your money to finish.
Come on, baby. What kind of insult is that? What kind of insult is that?
Okay.
My money cannot finish. Ask Ujuku here. Very soon. Huh? Just very soon. Your boyfriend will become a millionaire.
Seriously?
When joking. When joking, baby.
Okay.
Obi, please, I want us to see outside briefly. Biko.
Ujuku, what are you saying? Listen, if you're done drinking and eating meat, you can find your way. As for me, I'm just starting, please. I don't want headache. I'm here to enjoy my money. I don't want headache. Thank you.
But Obi, you don't even know why I want us to see. I said please, Obi. Obi.
Enjoy yourself, okay?
You know what? Listen to him. Just listen to what he's saying.
Please, who is here, please? One yacha, more drinks and more meat. One yacha. Baby.
Yes. Yes. Come here.
Hurry up, please.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, what do you want? Okay.
Please, more drinks and more meat, huh?
Okay, I'm coming.
Baby, careful one, right?
Alright. Come on.
Careful.
Obi. 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 I said please, let us see briefly. Eh? You don't even know what I want to say.
Baby, you know what? Just for my sake, give him a listening ear. Please.
No, I'm doing this because I
You should not say you come, let's see, you will not come. Then you are some.
You know I'm doing this because of you.
No.
You know I love you so much. Eh?
I love you too.
You know that, right?
We just go.
Listen, just in case if you need another one, huh?
She's already bringing them.
Oh yeah. Feel free and enjoy yourself, okay?
I should add that for 2 more people.
Yeah, baby. One for you, one for me, one for Ojuku. Okay?
Your money no dey finish.
No, you can never finish.
Your money no dey
Can never finish, baby. Can never finish.
Life is good though.
Bobby. Hurry up now, I don't have time, please. What is it?
Well, there's nothing much.
Okay.
I just want to know where you got all this money you're squandering. Or have you sold your late uncle's house?
You want to know?
Yes, I want to know. I'm your friend.
I don't know.
You don't know? Why are you acting childish? Eh? Speak up. Where did you get all this money?
Listen, Ojuku, please. My girl is alone there.
We're talking about something important. You're talking about a girl.
Oh, you're talking where I'm talking. That doesn't show any respect. Okay? I've made my money. That girl is alone there, and I love her so much, please. If you don't have any other thing to say, please.
We are talking about something important, and you're talking about girl, and you have made money. Shishi, you don't have. Cars you did not come back with in this village. So where's the money you're talking about?
Ojuku, please. If you're done drinking and eating meat, please, you can find your way. As for me, this is just the beginning. I want to eat my money and enjoy myself, Please. Thank you for banking with us, Bye. Sugar.
He walks out on me because he now feels he has some change in his pockets. But do you think he might have sold that house? I know what to do.
Something took over me. Oh my God. Day and night. Oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord.
Big man, send for me. Yes, son. Sit down. Oh. Listen, son. I want you to forget about Rita. Like I said to you at the office, she is the woman I want to marry. There are so many beautiful girls out there. Big man, what you're asking is impossible, though. No, it's not possible. How can you ask me to forget about Rita? Listen, if there's anybody to forget about Rita in this case, it is you, father. Why? I am your father. You can't say that to me. Father, it is not about you are my father and I am your son. The fact is that I was the first person to propose to her. That is not what I'm saying. I want to marry her. I'm not proposing to her. That is what I am saying. I was the first person who proposed to her. Listen, you are my father and you should support me 100. What are you saying? Huh? I want to marry her too. You have heard what I said. Father, you cannot marry Rita. Father, you have heard what I said too. You cannot marry Rita. I am Mazumba Nkeboke. Mbigo Tebeki na Nkeboke. Buy the mbe first, let us know it and know if it is okay or not. What is this? You want to intimidate me because you are my father? No, I am your son too. I have rights. Hello, Oga. What is this? No, I cannot run away from you. I am your son biologically. Hello. Hi.
Something took over
Get
me.
defend you,
Oh my God.
Or some is okay. Am I the first to have a son like this? Shows no respect for any type of dignity, father.
To you, Lord.
Okay.
Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the God.
My daughter, I don't know what else to tell you.
There is nothing for you to say. I've made up my mind. Do you know what that man did to me? If I tell you what he did to me, you won't even talk about him again.
You're hiding something from me?
Yes. I am hiding something from you. But I think it's about time I told you about it. It happened the same day he proposed to me.
Hey! Hey! I missed. Oh! My waist. Hey!
Sir! What happened? Sir! What is the problem? What's wrong? Eh? What happened?
I accidentally fell.
Oh my
I
God.
think I have a broken wrist.
What? Oh sir, sorry. Please let me help you up, sir. Please. Let me help you.
I can't even get up. I am having a serious pain in my wrist.
Oh my God. Sorry, sir. You know what? I have to call reception so they can get us a doctor. Okay?
No, don't worry about it. Just allow me to stay here for some time. Then you can help me to the bed.
Really? Sir, you want to be here?
Yeah, my waist.
I mean, I could try. I could help you up. Okay, let me get one pillow for you. So you can support your head. Oh, so sorry, sir. Sorry.
I'm actually trying to get the juice on the table.
Oh.
You can help yourself to it. It's cold and you will.
So what about you? I'm just worried about you, sir.
I'll be fine. Just allow me to rest a little.
What am I doing here? Oh my God. Sir, what did you do to me? Oh my God.
Can you just allow me to explain?
Sir, what did you do to me? What did you do to me, sir? Sir, what did you do to me? Oh my God.
Let me explain.
Explain what, sir? Sir, you raped me.
It was a mistake.
Sir, what have I done to you to deserve this?
It was a mistake.
What kind of mistake? Sir, what kind of Jesus? Oh my God, sir, how could you have done? Sir, this wasn't a mistake. It wasn't. You lured me into this room, right? You pretended that you had broken your waist. You couldn't even get up. How did you get? Oh my God, sir.
I'm sorry.
The drink, sir. Sir, you drugged it, right? Sir, how could you do this to me? You drugged the drink. Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Oh my God, sir, God, I can't believe this, sir. You raped me. Sir, I am going to tell your son about this, and I am going to tell my mother. Oh my God.
I'm sorry, please.
God, I can't believe this.
You're right. I'm a wicked man. I deserve to be punished. But please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Remember all I did for you and your mother? And it was because of the love I have for you. No! And I still want you to marry me.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you.
That man is wicked. He actually raped me. And then he begged me not to tell anyone.
Chief raped you. Hey!
Mama, that man is wicked and heartless.
A man I respect so much? Why would he do such a thing to you? Chief raped you. That man is mean. He is wicked. Why? Why? Honestly, I can take any other thing, but you see that, I will not take it. Why? Why did it?
Bye. Rita, how are you?
She's not fine. Yes, what do you want here? What do you want? What are you looking for? You're a wicked man. You raped my daughter. You took my daughter to Abuja and raped her. How could you do such a thing?
Will you give me the opportunity to talk?
Talk what? What else do you want to say? We respected you, but you betrayed us. For your information, Chief Douglas, you will not marry my daughter.
Well, if both of you have decided that I will not marry Rita because of my little mistake, so be it.
Thank you.
Just get ready to vacate this place. Yes. I'm giving you 3 days to do that. Make sure you refund every dime that I spent on you while you were in the hospital. I have the total amount with me. Provide it, leave this place, and I will leave your daughter in peace. Buenas noches. Arrivederci. Au revoir.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'm a me here, kaina yo. 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 Something took over me. Oh my God. Day and night, oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the gods. Then I heard the voice.
That wretched woman had the audacity to talk to me in that manner. Well, I am going to make life miserable for her and her daughter if they do not have a rethink. I will send them back to where I picked them. I know they will have no option. She will surely come back to beg me. As for my son, I will never let him come close to her again.
Something took over me, oh my God. Day and night, oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice
I know how you feel. But as you can see, we don't have any other place to go to. Please.
Please what? Mama, please what? Please what? What are you trying to tell me? Eh? What are you trying to say?
Wait to Obi. Wait to Obi. 2 wrongs will never make a right.
2 wrongs what? Mama, which 2 wrongs now? Which 2 wrongs? How? This same man raped me. And then he came here today to tell me to vacate his house. Us, in fact. That we should leave his house in 3 days. Then what do you want me to do? 2 wrongs how?
He knows we do not have any other place to go to. I mean, where do we go from here?
I don't care. Mama, I do not care right now. And if you like, don't live with me, oh. If you like, don't follow me.
Live with you to where? Follow you to where? Rita.
Mama, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Wait, you want me to accept his proposal so I can retain this house, right? Mama, I will not do it. I will kill myself first. He will do it. That man raped me, Mama. He raped me. Is it because he's going behind bars? Is it because I do not want to report him to the... He's very lucky. He is very, very lucky.
How do I convince her to marry Chief?
I heard the voice of the gods. I heard the voice of the spirits.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Please, I'm here to see my con.
Oh, are you on appointment?
No, actually.
Okay. Please, what's your name?
My name is Ifoma.
Just Ifoma.
Hello. What do you mean by just Ifoma? Haven't you heard of the name Ifoma before? Or is that how you work here?
Why are you being rude?
Me being rude? Oh no, you're the one being rude, obviously. Yes. Eh?
Hey, Foma, what are you doing here?
I came to see you only for this idiot to start insulting me.
Me, idiot. Like, you're just plain stupid. Seriously.
Plain stupid? Is that what you call it? Me plain stupid? I don't blame you.
Hey, I said, what are you doing here?
Well, since you don't have anything to say about what she said, that is not even my problem. Since I have time for this. I told you someone insulted me and this is what you give me in return. This is what I'm doing for you. And I don't nonsense. The both of you can sort yourself out.
I thought you said you're done with her.
I don't know. I'm done with her, but I don't know why she is pestering my life. Anyway, sorry about that, okay? Why? Is my father back?
No, he's not.
Alright, like I said, I'm sorry.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Nah, is Obinna in?
Obinna went out.
Sir, there is a problem.
What is the problem?
I gave your son Obinna. He called me and he was like that he has a house for sale. And I saw the house, which I liked. He said that I should give him 10,000 naira so that he will travel to Lagos to discuss with his father. So I gave him 10,000 naira. Up till now, and I've been trying to reach your son Obinna. I've not seen him. He's not picking my calls and he's avoiding my calls.
You gave Obinna, my son, 10,000 naira.
Sir, I gave him 10,000 naira. And it was after my investigation that I found out that the father is not even in Lagos, that the father is in the village.
Well, Obinna is not around. I'm advising you, wherever you meet him, collect your 10,000 naira from him. Sir, that my brother's house, late brother's house, is not for sale. Biko.
Sorry, sir. What are you saying? Okay, sir. Listen to me. Listen to me very carefully. I'm not going to let this slide. Your son thinks he's going to dupe me and go scot-free about it. I will arrest him wherever I set my eyes on him, sir. Tell him I say so. I am going to arrest him.
But Papa, I want Obinna. I want Obinna about selling that house, but he refused. He wouldn't listen.
Ojuku! Papa. Shut up your mouth. That's your dirty mouth and leave my house. Now.
How?
Before who go come move out of get out.
How?
How go wherever? How go where? But how? Ugumaga. Obinna isi kotale ebu ya gba ya. Nọrọ na akpara anwụ na akpọrọ.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
Good day, sir. Sir, I want to talk to you, sir.
Well, I know that you will certainly come back and beg me, because you and your mother have no option. I meant it when I said that I will send you back to your former standard of living. So go ahead and talk, I'm all ears.
Sir, I want to thank you, sir, for everything. For everything you did for my mother and I. You saved us. You helped us. And for that, I will always be grateful to you. Forever, sir. But at this point, here is my resignation letter. Working with you in this office was really nice. Thank you for the opportunity. But at this point, I quit.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
I am not accusing you for anything. My father told me everything you said. And I heard that the man is looking for me. That he wants to arrest me.
Yes, no.
Listen, Ojuku. I am not afraid of anything. To hell with you and the man.
Don't allow thunder strike you. What's your problem? What's your problem, Obina? See, you better go and look for that man's money and refund it to him. You're here running your mouth.
Ojuku, you are a big fool.
You are a bigger fool, Obina.
Listen to me. Did you not eat from the money?
You will show me video record.
Did you not eat from the money?
Shh. I did not see.
Do you think if I'm arrested, you will go free? Is that what you think? I will tell the man that both of us planned it. In case you don't know.
Obina, how can you say a thing like that? How? See, I know you're joking. Don't joke with me with a thing like this. Don't try it.
I am now a joker, right?
Don't try it, I'm not joking.
I'm not a joker, right? No problem. I'm waiting for the man and the policeman.
He says he's coming with army people.
Army people. I'm waiting for them. Then you will know if I'm joking or not. You don't have correct active format. Idiot. You will know if I'm joking or not.
Obina!
You will know if I'm joking or not.
Hey, I will be in a very big problem if Obina says a thing like this to this man. How will he say we'll plan it together? How?
My phone is playing with me. My phone is playing with fire, but he don't know it. If he dares me, oh God help him, I will deal with him.
What nonsense. Can you imagine?
Ifo, who are you quarreling with?
Nobody.
Ifo, nobody. Ifoma.
Mama.
Ifoma. Are you pregnant? I am asking you, are you pregnant, Ifoma?
Mama, what kind of question is that? Why will you even ask me if I'm pregnant? Mama, hold on. I know what Janet has been feeding you with. I don't even care to know.
Janet what? Janet did what? What is it this time around?
Janet, don't shout at me. Stop shouting at me.
Okworu Olugi. Mama, warn this girl, oh. Because I will beat her. I will so beat her not minding her condition. Warn her, oh.
What condition?
You're asking me, are you not pregnant? Why are you denying it, Seth? Are you not pregnant? Mama, she is pregnant, period. Just ask her who got her pregnant. Who is responsible?
Janet, are you the one that got me pregnant?
Where's your...
What condition?
You're asking me, are you not pregnant? Why are you denying it, Seth? Are you not pregnant? Mama, she is pregnant, period. Just ask her who got her pregnant. Who is responsible?
Janet, are you the one that got me pregnant?
Where's your... Saying
you're an idiot. Fool. A very big fool.
Janet.
What will you do?
Mama. Mama, I'll beat this girl.
You want to beat your sister in my presence?
I'll beat her up.
Mama, let her touch me. Allow her touch me and see if I will... Come on, shut up. Come on, shut up your mouth. Shut your mouth. You're talking nonsense. Oh no, you don't mind your business.
It is you. Every time one of you'll be ranting.
Warn her. Warn your daughter to shut up. Mind your business. Mind your business. What can you do? If you are respecting her, I would have given this girl what she cannot do.
Shut your dirty mouth. That is how you be ranting up at that. Mike Tyson, how will you give what you for, man? Will you murder somebody?
Enough. When I am. What began enough? Enough. Talk to her. Talk to her. Talk to who? You're
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you...
Informer,
Yes.
what are you doing here?
I came to see you. Yes, I was actually coming to your house, but good of a thing I met you here.
You came to see me?
Yes.
For what?
I've come to beg you to please leave my con alone for me. He is my man and you know it.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You don't understand what exactly? I've come to beg you to stay away from my con because you cannot reap where you did not sow. He is my man and I am pregnant for him.
You're what?
Yes, you heard me. I am pregnant for Maicon.
You're pregnant for who?
I am pregnant for Maicon. So please, I am begging you in the name of whatever thing you hold so dear to you. Leave him alone for me. He is my man and you know it. The next time I come for this particular case, you will not like me. Nonsense.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. Day and night, oh, I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the gods. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the Spirit.
Where could she be?
Day and night, oh, I kneel down and pray to you.
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
Her line is switched off.
I heard the voice of
Hey,
the
Jesus. Why would she run away? Chai. Who can I call? Who can I call to tell me her whereabouts?
I heard the voice of the gods of God.
Who is there? Who is there?
It's me. Good afternoon.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sorry, is Chief in?
Is he aware of your coming?
No, he's not.
Okay, wait, let me inform you that you're here.
You will have to inform him first.
Yes.
First, please.
Alright, you can go. You can go.
Can I go?
Yes.
Alright.
Alright.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
Good day, ma.
Where's my daughter?
Ma, that is why I came. She has not been to the office for the past 2 days. And that's why I said, let me come and know what's the problem.
I've not seen my daughter for the past 2 days. She ran away from home because your father threatened to throw us out of this house if she refuses to marry him.
My father did that.
You can ask him when you get home. I will hold him responsible if anything should happen to my daughter.
Oh, okay, ma. Please please just take it easy. I know she'll be fine wherever she is. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Excuse you. What do you mean, what am I doing here? I am here to see your father.
You're crazy. You are crazy. See my father onto what level? Eh?
If it will interest you to know, he knows I'm pregnant for you.
You're under fire, you are pregnant. You're crazy. If you don't live here right now, I'll deal with you the way you will not like it.
Son, are you responsible for the pregnancy?
Responsible for what pregnancy? Eh? And I have to be made by party. What is the problem? Live here right now. Live here right now.
Calm down. Let us sort this out amicably.
Father, we are not sorting anything out amicably. Let this bitch live here right now. What's your problems? You want to put pregnancy on my head? See, if you do not live here, I will tell you why they call me Mycon, the python, the icon.
You will do nothing.
Really?
You will do nothing.
Now. Boss man, big man, tatao, let this bitch live here right now. Huh? Out.
That is it, right? Mycon, that is it. You will not go scot-free. I will make your life miserable in this town. You don't know what you're up against. Me, Ifeoma. I will deal with you. What nonsense.
It's okay. Calm down. Listen, he is my son. I will talk to him. Just calm down. Sit down. Listen to me. Sit down. It is well, even inside the well. Please. I told you, don't worry about anything. Huh? Even inside the well, it is well. Okay? Please. Please take this and take care of yourself.
With all due respect, sir, everything is not all about money. Yes, I want your son to come do the needful. I'm carrying his child. He should come marry me and not this.
You will still need this. For now. I know I'll talk to him. He's my son. He will listen to me. Okay?
It's not as if I need it, but I'll just take it because you asked me to. Yes.
It's okay.
I don't need it. Tell him to come do the needful. And as for you, Mycon, I'm not done with you. I will come back for you. When you dey buga, you don't know. Mycon, I'm not done with you yet. I will come back for you.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
This is interesting. So Mycon has a mistress and he is busy dragging Rita with me. Well, it is good to know that the so-called mistress is pregnant for him. He cannot get away from this. He's trapped.
Where is Rita?
What type of useless question is that?
You call it useless question. Like you do not know what I am saying. Where is Rita?
What type of dumb question is that?
You call it dumb question. For the past 2 days, Rita has been missing. Yes, she has been missing. Her phone switched off. And I know you know her whereabouts. You know. Listen,
you must be out of your mind.
I am not out of my mind.
You have lost it. You are insane in the memory.
If Rita does not come out, okay, I got bara. Did you or you did not? Did you or you did not? Did you met or you did not met? You see, I want to get to go. No problems. Say you get money. I don't send you because your money not my money. You want me to go bara, we go bara. Please, I want to see Rita.
Is Rita really missing? If yes, where did she go to? Huh?
Chief, this is unbelievable. You mean your son is also interested in seeing girl?
He is not only interested, he has already proposed to her. And she accepted his proposal and rejected mine.
Wow, this is ridiculous, Chief. Father and son fighting over a girl?
And now he's accusing me of hiding her. As I talk with you, I have not set my eyes on my son for the past 3 days.
What? He must have gone to find her then.
I will deal with that girl and her mother if they ever try to play with my intelligence.
No. Don't do that, Chief. You have to apply caution in this kind of situation, please. Apply wisdom, Chief. Apply wisdom.
If you see my son anywhere, tell him to stay away from that girl. Someone else is pregnant for him. Rita belongs to me.
Huh? Michael should at least giving you the respect as his dad.
No, he thinks he's man enough to challenge me. But I'll teach him a lesson he will never forget in a hurry.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
Where could she have gone to? Huh? Why did she run away? Is it because I have been persuading her to marry Chief? Hi! What kind of problem is this? I don't know. Huh?
Where is your daughter?
Chief, I should be asking you that. She ran away because I've been persuading her to marry you.
That is your business. You and I had an agreement. And an agreement is an agreement. Provide your daughter or you vacate this place.
Chief, I will hold you responsible if anything should happen to my daughter. What kind of problem is this?
I heard the voice of the gods. I heard the voice.
1 month has gone by and the whereabouts of Rita is yet to be known. Even my son, Michael, has been away for 1 month. What if Michael had faked Rita's disappearance just to elope with her? I never thought of this.
Hey, Dad. Listen, I have searched for Rita everywhere. All to no avail. I want to beg you in the name of God, please. Where did you hide Rita?
Will you stop this, your foolish tricks?
Stop what?
You think I will not find out?
Find out what?
That you faked Rita's disappearance so you can elope with her.
Really?
Tell me, where have you been for the past 1 month?
It does not concern you. What's that been for the past 1 month? Listen, I did not fake anything. Dad, you were the one who is using tricks on me so that you have Rita. But, you can never have Rita as far as I'm concerned. Dad, please, don't take me back to my old ways. Please, Don't take me back to my old ways. Oma de kwamma. I ain't got kwambo. Dad, when I got kwambo, if you take me back to my old ways, Okwa basi ekunwa. Hello, Victor. Okay.
This boy is up to something.
Obinna, where are you? Where are you, my son? Hey! Hey! Where are you? I'm finished. I didn't know that it would end this way. Hey! Hey! Hey, Obinna! Obinna, my son. Where are you? I'm finished. Obinna, I'm finished. Oh, Papa? My son.
Papa?
My son.
Papa, what is it?
Obinna.
What is this?
Obinna, I'm finished. Obinna, I'm finished. Nemesis has caught up with me. Oh. Papa. Nemesis, oh.
What is it now?
I'm finished. I'm finished.
What's wrong with you?
I'm reaping the fruit of my evil. Yes. Yes, I'm reaping the fruit of my evil.
Papa, what are you talking about?
My late brother's wife, whom I accused of killing my brother, is innocent. Yes, she's innocent.
No, Papa, but that woman is evil now.
Oh, no. She's not. I am. I'm the one who is evil. So I killed my brother. I killed him. I killed him so that I will take over his property.
Allah, abomination.
Hey!
Papa, what are you talking about?
Oh, I did it. I did it. Yes. I did it. Oh, yeah. Please, my brother's wife, my late brother's wife and her daughter, they are innocent. Ojuku, run, go and call your father, Madoka. Go and call him. Hey, hey!
Nah, this is unbelievable, eh?
Papa, you killed your own brother. Hey! You killed your own brother, Papa. Hey!
Informer, who is the young man that got you pregnant? Kedonya to Balugima. Informer.
Mama, I've told you his name. But if you're not satisfied with all I've told you, I can take you to his house.
Just look at the way you're talking to your mother.
Imagine. She is not even remorseful at all. Remorseful for what? Respect yourself. I wasn't talking to you.
Watch your tongue.
What from?
Watch your tongue.
Janet, what will you do?
Shameless girl.
Idiot.
See, will both of you stop this nonsense right here? Mama, let her just tell you who got her pregnant. That is if she knows who. This is the result of having numerous men and friends as bedmates. If you get to say it again.
Janet, do I look like a pretender like you? Do you know what? You are a shower in disguise. You think I don't know? You have just been pretending. You're not a good girl, oh. You are not.
God knows, heaven and earth knows that I'm not a pretender. I am who I am.
You are a pretender.
I'm not
pretender, that is what you are.
Shut your mouth. Shagon. Talkative. Ta. She should just say who got her pregnant. We are wasting time, I beg. Talk now.
You're a fool. Nikompu.
A fool. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Hey! So you want to kill her? Janet! What did you just... Janet! Janet! You pushed her?
They say what goes around will surely come around. What is
just surfaced in my office and disappeared again till now.
I tell you, say this life gon' make you wonder.
I am certain he is up to something.
We are here to open. Akifu adigomini, elu abukwanili, lirisi, chidiebere. They say what goes around.
I guess he's back.
Whatever you sow, that is what you
Some men are they respect their son because Napabunia. All I do is win because I clean. That's why I pin. I have found her.
Have you seen how smart you are? You suddenly found her the moment you realize I'm aware of the skeleton in your cupboard.
Yeah, there's no skeleton in my cupboard. Father Gent, if you were a pastor, all your prophecies gonna kuna raja because Imakote is soul. Listen to me, it was not what you said. She went to see her friend in Obohio. A friend of mine discovered her and called me. You know, some boys say Abulia told her. Anyways, thank God.
And you want me to believe you?
Why wouldn't you believe me?
Where is she? I want to see her.
Ah, well, don't bother. She's at home, you know. She's at home. Don't bother seeing her. Hey, good news, Dad. As I proceed to give you what you need in this weather as we are together, Rita is pregnant for me. So, in 8 months, you will come visiting. Oga Abunate, boy and a girl, trust me. Trust me.
I guess it's not one of your ploys.
I call it whatever you like. Yash, no they change position. Oga. Wait, you can even back. Say wait, let's meet on the police. Hey, boss on the memory, piano where. Hello. Hi.
Rita, pregnant. Maybe for 1 month. God, it will.
He did not allow me to tell him what I had in mind. He must have told his father about my pregnancy.
Food is ready. Do I serve you here?
Mama, no, don't worry. I don't have appetite for food now.
But you need to eat.
Mama, I don't want to eat. I don't feel like eating anything now. Maybe later. Okay.
Tell me why you ran away from home.
Mama, I don't need to tell you. You already know.
Are you pregnant for Chief's son?
That is where the problem is. That is where the problem is. I don't even know. I don't even know who I am pregnant for.
What do you mean by that?
I have kept this truth in me for so long. I think it's time. It is time to tell it.
So you now lay claims to what does not belong to you.
What do you mean I lay claims to what does not belong to me?
How can you say that you are responsible for Rita's pregnancy?
Because I know that I am the only man in her life, so I am responsible for her pregnancy.
How can you be the only man in her life? What about me?
Father, leave that matter. You're trying to blackmail me. Listen, you've been begging Rita under... You've been wanting Rita to marry you under duress. I know.
You are entitled to your opinion, son. But let me put it to you. I am responsible for her pregnancy. If you want to know.
Listen, you cannot blackmail me. Whatever you say. You will slip us where court don't court. Waiting loss don't loss. If you find I'm Najara. Rita, I'm my girl.
Alright, son. Let me refresh your memory. My trip to Abuja with Rita about a month ago was not really a business trip.
What?
Yes. I planned it so that I can have my way on her. But when I started making advances, she told me she was on. I had no choice than to drug her and rape her.
What? You drugged Rita and raped her? Father!
Yes. And the result is the pregnancy you are talking about.
What? Hey, you raped Rita?
I have no choice.
Jesus.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. Amamihe, kainayo, amamihe, kainayo, amamihe, kainayo, amamihe. They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. Amamihe, kainayo, amamihe.
You know, this is the way cause wahala between Oga and the pikin. Machine.
To be called your son. I'm ashamed. I'm ashamed to be called your father.
Alright, baby. Is it true that this man standing here raped you?
I am surprised you've not told him what transpired between us on our trip to Abuja.
What are you talking about?
I am talking about your daughter's pregnancy. I raped her. I am responsible for her pregnancy.
Good day.
Chief. Doctor, you're welcome. I am so happy. I am excited. My wife to be here is pregnant with my child.
What? How can that be?
It is true. Even my son here is claiming responsibility for the pregnancy. I think we have to run a DNA test.
Chief, I think your son is the right person.
Are you out of your mind? Have you lost it? Are you insane in membrane or what?
I am not. Here is the result of the test you took in my hospital last month. I was calling your line. You were not taking my calls. So I decided to come myself.
What does the result say?
Chief, please, can we see her side?
For what? There's nothing to hide. Just spill the beans before everybody here. Go ahead.
Chief, the results said that you are irreversibly impotent. Even before the death of your wife.
The pregnancy is mine. Mine. Then I saw some Gucci. And why me, huh? Hey, bro. What's your brand, man?
Sir, with all due respect, I think I have to leave now.
Hey, listen, is this true?
Yes.
Wow, wow.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'm a me here, kind of yo. 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 Makifu adigomili, elu abukwalili, ndivisi echidime. They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'm a me here, kind of yo. 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 I tell you, say this life gon' make you wonder. Many chapters we are here to open. Makifu adigomili, elu abukwalili, ndivisi echidime. They say what goes